Hiding in the closet? Come on! Open the door.
No, I'll scream. My parents will call the police.
All is forgiven, baby! Come out and get dressed! You're my date to the pep rally tonight!
What? Why?
Well, our classmates thought they were signing a petition. You gotta come out here and see what they really signed!
Chucked me out like I was trash. For that you should be dead. But then it hit me like a flash. What if high school went away instead? Those are the key. They're keeping you away from me. They made you blind, messed up your mind, but I can set you free. You left me and I fell apart. I punched the wall and cried, bam, bam, bam. Then I found you changed my heart and set loose all that truthful inside, and so I built a bomb. Tonight our school is Vietnam. Let's guarantee they never see their senior prom. I was meant to be yours. We were meant to be one. Don't give up on me now. Finish what we've begun. I was meant to be yours. So when the high school gym goes boom, with everyone inside, in the rubble of their tomb, we'll plant this note explaining why they died. We, the students of Westerberg High, will die. Our burned bodies may finally get through to you. Your society turns out slaves and blanks. No thanks. Signed, the students of Westerberg High. Goodbye. We'll watch the smoke pour out the doors. Bring marshmallows, we'll make s'mores. We can smile and cuddle while the fire roars. I was meant to be yours. We were meant to be one. I can't make it alone. Finish what we've begun. You were meant to be mine. I am all that you need. You can't open my heart. Can't just leave me to bleed. Veronica, open the door, please. Veronica, open the door. Veronica, can we not fight anymore, please? Can we not fight anymore? Veronica, sure you're scared. I've been there. I can set you free. Veronica, don't make me come in there. I'm gonna count to 3. 1, 2, it. Oh my God. No. Veronica, please don't leave me alone. You were all I could trust. I can't do this alone. Still I will live our
Veronica, I brought you a snack. Veronica?